we've got a certain someone that don't want to come out of his cage. Well, out of the carry case. So he is enjoying me stroking his belly. Aren't ya? And itching his face. Oh, is that nice? Oh, is that nice? I'm trying to get ya. Oh, is that nice? Was that nice? You're just standing there. You won't come out. You won't come out now you're out. No. You won't come out now. You wanted out before, now you won't come out. Is it because you're away from Danny? You're having some mum time. Hey. Hey. I could have a tame Budgie out of you. I think you like one-on-one time. Don't you? Itching his little face. Ooh, what is that?